mental health awareness in the ABM track, a social advocacy initiative. In today's fast-paced and demanding work environments, mental health issues have become a growing concern affecting students' well-being and productivity. This concept paper aims to address the importance of promoting mental health awareness in the workplace and advocating for supportive initiatives to create a psychologically safe and healthy work environment, particularly in the awareness of the accounting business management or ABM track. The primary purpose of this social advocacy initiative is to raise awareness about mental health issues in the ABM track, reduce stigma surrounding mental health conditions, and encourage organizations to prioritize the students' well-being through proactive mental health support programs and resources, implementing educational campaigns and training sessions to increase awareness about common mental health disorders, stress management techniques, and the importance of seeking help when needed. To support this social advocacy initiative, collaboration with mental health professionals, human resources departments, organizational leaders, and students representatives will be essential, engaging in dialogue with stakeholders, conducting surveys to assess the current state of mental health support in the ABM track.